Hi, welcome to INT145. This is drawing and rendering, and I'm Corey, your instructor. First, I'm just going to go over the materials that we will be using this semester, and then we will take a look at some of the drawing exercises in the next section. So for most of the class, we're learners, we're just starting off. We're basically just going to use standard copy paper. So if you haven't picked it up from the copy center or had them printed out yourself, we're just doing our exercises on a standard 11 by 17 copy paper. As you improve and as you grow as an illustrator, you can go ahead and places like Staples or Office Max, you're going to be able to go ahead and get a little better quality paper. But for this class and the purposes of our exercises, the 11 by 17 paper is just fine. Sometimes when I'm working with markers, I like to use something with paper with a little more weight, like a cardstock. So you can purchase cardstock in 11 by 17 from Staples and Office Max and such. And I like it because it's better for presentation, color doesn't leak through on the opposite side, and it just has a little smoother surface so that our markers aren't absorbed too much in the paper and leak. So that's cardstock. When you take INT230 visual presentation, we work a lot more with markers, and you're going to want to get introduced to marker paper. So marker paper is a paper that's specifically designed, a rag paper, to work with markers. The thing to know about marker paper is that there is a wrong and right side of the paper. So the right side of the paper, as you open up the deck, will look like this. So as you open up again, you'll find that this is the drawing surface. And what you find on the back is that there's a film on the back that prevents the markers from seeping through to the other papers or to other surfaces. So sometimes when I get a new pad of paper, I go ahead and put a little check mark in the corner just to remind myself as things get cut out that this is the correct side of the paper. So that's something important that you'll want to do. It's not required for this class, but some students will find, and I'll bring it to your attention a little bit, some students like how fluid the surface is working with markers. So for those students who don't like to see marks, they like to blend, marker paper is a really good deal. You're going to need some type of hard edge in this class. So this class is a bit different than a typical art class. In a typical art class, it's very loose and very free, and in this class we do try to be loose as well, but we do use a straight edge quite a bit. So if you think about it, when we're drawing interiors, there's typically walls, ceilings, and floor planes. And it's just a lot easier if you can quickly and loosely work with a straight edge. This straight edge is just a piece of cardboard that I cut out from the back of some type of book cover. And I just cut it and it gives a nice straight edge. So if you don't have access to a triangle, then just go ahead and get a piece of cardboard like this that you can use as a straight edge. One of the challenges of this class, and one thing that as you learn it you'll get so much better at it, is how to use a straight edge and how to use a straight edge quickly. So this is going to help you do those fast sketches, to apply texture, color to the surface quickly. So unlike your drafting class, we won't have a straight edge like a T scale here, or a straight edge that you will make perfect straight lines. Instead, we're going to hold our straight edges, and I'll go through this demonstration in such a way that you can quickly apply marks to the page.